Want to learn how to efficiently compress files into a zip folder on your Windows laptop or desktop? Stay tuned as I guide you through the process step by step. Hello there! In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create a zip file on your laptop or desktop PC using Windows. Let's get started. Select the files or folder that you want to compress into a zip file. For example, I'll select these 3 files and a folder on my desktop. Right-click on the selected files or folder. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the Send To option. Another menu will appear. From this menu, select the Compressed Zipped Folder option. Click on it. Windows will then create a new zip file in the same location as the original files or folders. You can rename the zip file by entering your desired file name. And there you have it. You've successfully created a zip file on your laptop using Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.